Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make the Cheesecake Factory's fried macaroni and cheese. Firstly, cook your macaroni following the packet directions. You'll need 120 grams or about 4 ounces of uncooked pasta. Now make the cheese sauce. Into a saucepan over a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, along with 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Whisk in the flour and cook for 2 minutes. Whisk in 1 cup of whole milk, then add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, 1 cup of grated Monterey Jack, and 1 cup of grated Fontina cheese, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Continue cooking, stirring often until the sauce is smooth. Add the sauce to the macaroni and stir well. Place in a flat rectangular baking dish and flatten out. Now place in the freezer for 2 hours to harden slightly. After 2 hours, slice portions using a knife and remove them to shape into a ball. Place them on a tray and place back into the freezer for 2 hours. While the macaroni and cheese balls are freezing, set up your breading station. 2 eggs mixed with 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, and 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Dip the macaroni balls one at a time, firstly into the flour, then into the egg wash, into the crumbs, back into the egg wash, and finally back into the crumbs. This will give the outside a thick coating with a great crunch after deep frying. Once all the macaroni and cheese balls are coated, heat your vegetable oil to 180 degrees C or 350 Fahrenheit and deep fry in batches for 5 minutes or until golden brown on the outside. Drain on paper towel and serve in a marinara sauce with grated Parmesan cheese over the top and some parsley. Serve immediately. One of the top selling items at the Cheesecake Factory is now yours to recreate and enjoy at home. And all we have to do now is get stuck into this bad boy.